Hi, my name's James Hallett, and I run EBC Brakes, and I'm here today to tell you a little bit about some of the vehicles I personally own. Well, I've been working for EBC Brakes, the group of companies, for about 28 years now. Started in 1993, 10 years after it founded, and I've worked in various divisions. So I worked in the organic brake pad factory in Bristol for many years. I worked a little bit here at Northampton. Then I spent quite a number of years in Los Angeles and Las Vegas, heading up the USA Inc. divisions. And then when the owner retired a few years back, I was brought back to Northampton. I love EBC because it's still a family-owned company. We get involved in a lot of different areas of the business. Everyone who works here can have a little hand in everything as we go along around the UK and around the world. It's an exciting company. We make a lot of cool products for power sports and automotive and performance and racing. We even get involved in the aircraft industry, the railway industry, and even things like paper making machines, which we make brake pads for. Okay, the first vehicle I ever owned was a Toyota Starlet 1.0 rear-wheel drive. Loved it. Used to do many miles, going as soon as I passed my test. I was off driving everywhere. I also owned a Triumph Dolomite, which was good fun. Many years ago, a Vauxhall Chevette. We've had 206 GTIs. That was good. And a Volvo T5. Absolutely loved the Volvo. I was a bit young for it, but it was good fun and very powerful. A bit of a sleeper car. I've always liked sleeper cars, so ones which are fairly quick but don't look that quick. And currently, I've got a Mercedes A-Class, which is looks sort of pretty much like a regular A-Class, but it's an A45 AMG, so it's running 380 plus horsepower, so that's a good fun. But it looks like a standard car, which is what I love. I also have two Husqvarna motorcycles, one I keep here in the UK, and one I keep in Las Vegas for desert riding when I'm out there working or visiting. This one's a 310cc. And it's a great one. It was made by BMW. There was only a couple of years where BMW made them. So hopefully it's going to have a rarity value coming up in a few years' time. I've also recently purchased an e-bike. I've got a high bike, which is good. So I ride that into work. I only live about 6 miles away from here. So during the summer I ride that in every day pretty much. Haven't ridden it for a few months because we've just coming out of the winter, but it's ready to go again. I've also got a Cube mountain bike. We have an e-scooter which I use here. So at night when everyone's gone, it's easy to get around the building and around the site quite quickly. And also at the moment we've got a little go-kart, so which is quite good fun in lockdown. We can come in on the weekend and do a bit of work and do a bit of testing of the go-kart up and down the car park. And generally we love, at EBC, we pretty much love all types of vehicles and all types of cars. There's always exciting stuff coming in. This week we've got a Mark III Mazda MX-5 there. We've had a Honda EP3 Type R in. We've got a Ferrari 458 in at the moment. So there's always stuff in and out, and it's always great fun to be here. So these videos are all about just meeting a few of the team members. You've met me now, and we're going to meet a few more over the coming weeks, and they'll talk about some of the vehicles they've owned and that they have currently. It's an exciting place to be because a lot of the people here are petrol heads or bikers, so they're madly into cars and bikes. So we'll see what they've got over the next few weeks.